everyone, it's a new edition of All About Apps from Cleverroot Studio. Today we prepared a lovely topic for you. Let's get started. The days of meeting someone special in parks, cafes or shopping malls are gone. People just want to save their precious time and find partners online. Now, numerous websites and apps hold the responsibility of matching people together. And you know what? They really make people's life easier, especially for those who have troubles with socializing. Dating apps are advantageous not only for their users, but also their creators and developers. Although, if you want to create a dating app and make it front-runner, first of all, you have to understand how they work and what brings them the success. Firstly, let's figure out how dating apps work. Certainly, there are no two dating apps with identical feature and concept. Nevertheless, we can sort out a few things that can pass around if you want to create a dating app. Introduction. It's always a good idea to introduce your app's functionality to user. Top existing dating apps do not neglect the power of the first impressions, and you also shouldn't. Something like a sliding tutorial will make the user fall in love with your app at first sight. You may want to keep the identity of your users anonymous, just like some of the popular apps do. However, if you want to adhere to a more standardized model, you should consider user registration and login functionality. Again, for seamless user interaction with your app, you can integrate it with social networks. Don't forget about user security too. Cases are that users can refuse to bind their social accounts to dating apps, so creators may foresee such situations. The main objective of any dating app is matching people together. But how does it work? Well, dating apps may use a wide variety of matching techniques to match up partners who like each other. Let's explore some of them. It's always nice to make a new acquaintance within your area. Chances of success increase. You are more likely to live happily ever after with someone in your city than on another continent. No wonder dating apps tend to employ GPS components in their matching algorithms. Another technology which is widely used is mathematical algorithms that connects people by finding similarities in answers given to a suggested questionnaire. Such algorithms are mostly based on the capability percentage of answers given for each question separately or all questions collectively. Algorithms for behavior-based matching are more complicated than mathematical and location-based ones, as they operate with data gathered from outside sources, like social network accounts and musical playlists. Generating and analyzing large data sets requires significant resources. It's where a big data analytics approach helps to increase chances of the right match. Dating platforms become smarter. They apply new technological advances to improve user experience and ensure more accurate matching. Machine learning technology, artificial intelligence, all this influence dating apps' evolution as well. To be specific, the particular machine learning technology that empowers Netflix and Amazon's personalized recommendations can be applied to dating apps. The next step after matching is jumping into direct communication. Messaging inside the dating apps is crucial. Let me explain you why. When users receive a return interest, they usually write a message to their crush via the built-in messenger. However, if they face poor user experience, user goes elsewhere. There is a great variety of options, you know? As a result, you can lose engagement. What is more, by letting users communicate inside your app, you maintain their privacy. They don't have to share their phone numbers or reveal their identity if they don't want to. It's quite important at the very early stage of introduction, and those apps that adhere to anonymity should take this into account. To inspire you a bit more, we found it interesting to list 3 of the most successful and popular dating apps you should keep up with if you want to draw up your own success story. No doubt that Tinder can deservedly head the list of the most successful dating apps. The key to Tinder's success is a fresh touch to user experience and psychology of hookups. The main difference between Tinder and other free dating apps is how you choose candidates. It looks like the page turning, provoking the swipe more and more in the hope of finding your ideal partner. Pure was developed by the Russian entrepreneurs a few years ago and took its place in the niche of dating apps rather quickly. Pure is a platform for active and assertive people who are in around the clock. There is no need for rapid conversations. Most likely your encounter will write you several lines, send a few photos and get down to business, where and when. And the last but not the least is OkCupid app. Recipe for their success is the classical approach. Questionnaires and compatibility percentage are the elements of the traditional approach to online dating. Anyway, if smartly thought out, it actually works. And just one more thing for today. In our previous editions, we have already discussed apps monetization in general. As for dating apps, the most common monetization strategies are based on app advertising. For example, Tinder provides such paid features as unlocking unlimited liking capabilities and limitations on rewinding and right swiping. Pure added some payment contact as well. New users have only 7 free attempts for one night. If they need more, they have to pay. As for OkCupid, its paid features include account improvement, information about who liked whom, additional search filters, invisibility mode, and many more. I think we will stop here today. If you want more detailed information about dating apps, you are welcome to read the full article on our blog page at Clever Road website. See you!